Hi guys, today I want to present to you my unboxing of my new protective case for my Surface Pro 9. It's a Cosmo series from i-BLASON brand. I think it's a partner brand with Subcase. It's operating from Atlanta, Georgia in United States. I got it from Taobao for only around $25. I also bought cases from this brand for my sister S23 Ultra and my friend's AirPod Pro, and they all feel very positive about this brand. Okay, let's see what's outside and inside the box. Okay, the outside there's some QR and black, nothing else I see. Let's go inside. Okay, up. Okay, okay, there are two part cases as you can see, and here is the installation guide. Okay, okay, here is the Cosmo series. It's pink color. Okay, there's some 3M sticker to stick to the back plate of your Surface Pro 9. Okay, and the cases here, as you can see, the home button, the volume button. There is some cutout here, as you can see, and here you can see a space for Surface Connect charging dock. Okay, and there is some place that you can move your hand to for the kickstand. Okay, and here there's the open cutout for two USB-C port. Okay, there's some space, some vent. Okay, then nothing on the bottom side. As you can see, the corner is very thick. Okay, and here, as you can see, it has a honeycomb pattern design, so it may have released some heat from the back of this surface. Okay, let's try the surface in. Okay, here is my Surface Pro 9. Okay, let's put it up. Okay, okay, it's only available in this marble pink color. This color look cool to me. Some may say that it looks very girly, but to me it looks perfect. It has a nice and precise camera cutout. As you can see, it feels very grippy. Okay, and it doesn't show any fingerprint. As you can see, it doesn't show any fingerprint. Okay, it has a TPU shock absorbing bumper with extra cushioning on all of four corners to protect against drop and bump. It gives you open access for for a flexible kickstand. Okay, and it also compatible with Surface type cover keyboard. Okay, let's test this out. Okay, okay, as you can see, boom. Okay, it's compatible. Okay. Okay, it's look good. Okay. If there are something bad to say about it, I wish they include extra 3M sticker for the replacement, or in some case this back plate is fall off. And personally, this case isn't totally slim. It's fairly thick, as you can see. Okay, and I think it's better if they design to have their own kickstand, not using the built-in one for the durability reason. And so I'm ordering another protective case from Subcase, which has their own built-in kickstand. It will arrive in 1 or 2 weeks, and I'm gonna make another video about it. So I love you all, thank you all, and see you next time. Bye.